In this video, Bitcoin is forming more bullish signs in the monthly time frame, but the question is, where is Bitcoin heading to, and where can you re-enter kay Bitcoin to enter and buy more Bitcoin? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, medyo may sakit lang ako ngayon, so medyo mahihirapan ako mag-explain, but I will be doing my best na makapag-explain dito sa inyo. Kasi, ayun nga, medyo masakit yung lalamunan ko. But yeah, we'll try to do our best dito sa analysis for today. So, as you can see, if you're going to zoom out dito kay monthly Bitcoin stochastic RSI, ito yung monthly time frame. And then as you can see, we have plotted the stochastic RSI. If you're going to look back in the historical Bitcoin price action, you will find a very critical pattern dito, or a very critical indicator, which tells us it's the start of a bull market. And that is this stochastic RSI. If you're going to look at this, whenever the stochastic RSI is forming a bullish cross below the 20 threshold, ayan no, below the 20 threshold, that is the start of the long-term Bitcoin bull market. You can also see that sa upcoming din na, or dun sa previous na bull market, may nagkaroon tayo ng bullish cross, and that has indicated the long-term bull market dito ni Bitcoin. And right now, as you can see, if you're going to look at this in the currently monthly time frame, you will find that Bitcoin is forming also that similar stochastic RSI cross in the monthly time frame, hinting na we are now about to start a long-term bull market, and the bear market is already finished. So this is actually pretty good news dito for the whole crypto market, considering na in the short term or in the weekly time frame, meron din tayong bullish divergence. So in the weekly time frame, may bullish divergence wherein the price is declining while RSI is increasing. So those are traditional signs of a bullish retracement or a bullish indicator or bullish signal na dito kay Bitcoin price action. So right now, considering na meron tayong weekly bullish divergence plus monthly stochastic RSI cross, we are forming a lot of bullish signs dito kay Bitcoin. And ayun, ang dami nagsasabi na abangan mo daw mag 85k muna bago mo magsabi na long-term bull market na. May nagsasabi ng ganun, or may iba nagsasabi na antayin mo muna mag 40k or mag 50k si Bitcoin. Well, ito yung problema kasi doon. Ang indicators na to, yung indicators like this, itong stochastic RSI, it uses the historical Bitcoin data. So, it uses the historical price action. So, of course, tinitake into consideration niya na yung mga previous movements ni Bitcoin. And you can use that as a basis for the next Bitcoin movement. Pero if aasa ka lang dun sa price action na 40k, 50k, 85k, edi kailan ka pa bibili ng Bitcoin, 'di ba? So, ang best way to do dito is you have to do DCA strategy talaga. So, it's either na you buy Bitcoin now, and then yung partial, antayin mo kung saan magkakaroon ng panibagong re-entry opportunity. Yun yung best opportunity mo dito para mag-enter kay Bitcoin. Hindi yung maghihintay ka ng 40k. Kasi what if hindi na siya bumalik ng 40k, 'di ba? Eh di napag-iwanan ka na ng Bitcoin price action. Or if let's say inantay mo muna mag 85k, pagdating na 85k, edi ang dami mo nang sinayang na 60k sana na Bitcoin. Sana nabili mo na, 'di ba? So, in this scenario, the best way to do this is by using DCA strategy. And that's what we have been doing within the past few months already. We have done DCA strategy between the 70,000 US dollars, 70,000, 68, 64 and 60,000 US dollars. 'Di ba nag-DCA strategy tayo dyan? So, ang average entry na natin ngayon dito is 68,000 US dollars. And if you have seen my Instagram channel, I am currently already in profit dito sa trade na to. So, right now, in my long-term long position is currently in profits na nga dito with the Bitcoin price action. Now, let's now discuss re-entry opportunity dito kay Bitcoin price action. Kasi, what's gonna happen now with the Bitcoin price action within the short term? So, looking at this in the short term, there are no signs na Bitcoin is going to stop the pump dito. The best way na you can monitor if this is going to end the pump is right now, Bitcoin should continue its increase. It should continue its increase. And then dapat yung RSI niya is declining dito. The moment na mag-form siya ng ganyan, it is a bearish divergence. So the moment na mag-form ng ganyan, then that is the end of the recent pump in Bitcoin. Then in that case, we can open a short position dito, go targeting whatever price action na mag-form. But yeah, right now, that is what you have to take into account. The pump is not yet over. It has to form bearish indicators muna or bearish signal for us to determine na tapos na yung pump. So, in that case, paano tayo bibili ng Bitcoin? So, if ikaw yung isa sa mga tao na hindi pa nakabili ng Bitcoin, what I would highly recommend is you buy Bitcoin partially now. Mag-buy ka ngayon ng Bitcoin partially. And then after nyan, mag-set ka ng mga buy orders din below the current market price action. So, kung yari, nag-buy ka ngayon sa current market price at the 80,000 US dollars, maglagay ka ng yung remaining funds mo, ilagay mo siya at around 77, 74, 72, 70,000 para if ever na mangyari dito is after na tong pump, pagkaroon siya ng bearish divergence, pwede mong masalo yung pagbagsak ni Bitcoin. And if you're going to look back in history, Bitcoin has also done the similar thing wherein let's try to go back in a weekly time frame. Bitcoin has done the similar thing na wherein after the Bitcoin pump, sorry, sinisipon lang ako dito a bit, but yeah, as you can see, after this Bitcoin pump, nagkaroon pa siya ng one last push to the downside to retest the bull market support band. So in this case, you will find na hindi ibig sabihin na umakit na si Bitcoin, kailangan mag-all in. Hindi. Pwede, ang magandang gawin is magpa-partial entry ka and then mag-DCA ka kasi as you can see, bumagsak pa din naman si Bitcoin after ng pump na yan. And yung pagbagsak na yan, dun yung magandang re-entry opportunity. And as you can see, hindi na siya bumagsak further. So in this case, if may mga bullish indicators na tayo, you have to be worried na kailangan mong i-monitor na yung mga price action na ngayon at kailangan mo maging realistic na hindi yung nabababa si Bitcoin. Kasi if umaasa ka pa din sa 40k, edi kailan mo na makikita yung 40k Bitcoin na yun. So in this case, what I would recommend is buy partial and mag-DCA kayo kasi of course magkakaroon yun ng one last push to the downside kay Bitcoin. And if you're going to look at the current price action to the Bitcoin sa 20-week moving average, which is the bull market support band, medyo malayo-layo pa siya. So, ibig sabihin, if magkakaroon tayo na rejection, pwede tayo ma-rejection kay Bitcoin at bumalik sa 20-week MA, which is currently playing around 70,000 US dollars. So, lowest possible point na ngayon dito ni Bitcoin is 70,000 US dollars. And that is the trade strategy na what I would recommend if you want to enter into a long-term Bitcoin long position, or if you want to open into a new short-term trade. That is my recommendation dito kay Bitcoin. But yeah, I guess that's all the update na I could provide kayo dito with the Bitcoin price action. Medyo nahirapan ako magsalita kasi may sakit ka ako. But yeah, I'm currently trading this currently kay Bybit kasi kay Bybit doon mas maganda mag long-term trade kasi ina-average na yung position doon. But if you want to trade short-term, I highly recommend kay Wix kasi kay Wix pwede ka mag-open ng multiple long position kay Wix. But yeah, I guess yun lang update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.